In this video, we'll talk about the new policy change about automatic citizenship for children born to service members and government employees working abroad. Watch this video and learn how this policy change may affect you. In this video, we'll talk about the new changes to automatic citizenship for children born abroad to U.S. government employees and some certain service members. But before that, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click that bell to be notified for any upcoming videos. And also, you can follow me on Instagram. We have 2 accounts that I post photos and updates and all the good stuff. So make sure you follow me there too. Let's dive in right into this video. And one more thing, I really want to thank you guys for watching my videos, subscribing and sharing this and commenting. I don't take it for granted. So recently USCIS published a new rule change about automatic citizenship for certain children of government employees born abroad. And since that announcement came out, I was also interviewed in the news, certain news outlets, because of the confusion as a result of that announcement. Now, remember, this applies to 3 classes of people as far as we know. First of all, US citizens who adopted children overseas and now they're residing abroad. People who were not US citizens when the child was born and then they were naturalized, and US citizens who are residing abroad but have not established domicile in the US. So these are the main categories of people that are going to be affected by this policy. And USCIS announced that in fact it's not a new policy, but it's actually an update for an existing policy, and they just wanted to kind of match what the State Department is doing and what USCIS is doing. Now, so what's going to happen after October 25th when this policy is going to come into effect? People who are being affected by this are going to be able to come back to the US and apply for citizenship for those kids using Form N600K. Typically, again, this is a procedure that already exists now, but it's just going to make it more difficult for those people that before were able to get citizenship automatically for those kids while they were working overseas. N600K is just a bit of a more complicated process. It requires more documentation. The US citizen parent will have to prove certain residency in the US while they were abroad. So again, it's just going to make things more complicated and will take longer. And again, what is most important to understand that this filing must take place before the child turns 18, that child that was born abroad. So again, it's just going to make things more complicated and will take longer. And again, what is most important to understand that this filing must take place before the child turns 18, that child that was born abroad. That filing must take place before the child turns 18, and at that point that child will become a citizen as well. So people are worried and concerned that this is another example of tightening US citizenship for people that normally before were able to do so. People are thinking that's going to go, next step is going to be birthright citizenship, attack on that. It's not. This is basically, again, USCIS said they're trying to align their policy to match State Department policy. And the way we see it, people that are currently working overseas, people that, again, were naturalized and then they had kids abroad, and people that are US citizens but never lived in the US, if they're going to have kids, those children will have to return to the US and apply for the N600K to be able to get their citizenship. So again, it's a policy that has been around for years, but now they're just going to be enforcing it. And again, it's just definitely going to make things a bit more complicated. Will definitely take more time, but it's not a new policy. It's just an update for something that already existed, and it's not going to affect everybody. It's not going to affect military personnel who are stationed overseas because they have to be there. It's not going to impact US citizens that are having children overseas because of their work overseas. So just these 3 classes of people are going to be impacted. Really important to understand that. It's not across the board. So again, hopefully this information was helpful. We'll link our blog article about this as well, And if you want to download our free guide as to the 5 ways to get a green card, we're going to link it down there as well. And if you want to watch the actual news segment that I was on, we'll try to link that as well at the show notes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos coming up every week. And again, thanks for your comments. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, and we'll see you in our next video.